Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all fine. Okay. Now, today is your English class, and we are going to start with the next topic, that is a poem. It's topic number 4, and the name of the poem is Weaver Bird. This word is weaver, bird. This poem is about a bird. As you can see in the picture, this is a bird. This poem is about a bird. And you can see this bird is doing something. What is it doing? It is weaving. Weaving means बुनना, बनाना, किसी चीज़ को थ्रेड के हेल्प से कुछ बनाना, वीव करना, बुनना, ठीक है. So this bird, the name of this bird is known as weaver bird. When you will read this poem, when I will explain you the poem, then you will come to know. It's very simple and easy. This bird is known as weaver bird, and this is the nest of this bird. Okay. Draw a picture of your dream house. Write 3 sentences about it. Now, read this poem about a weaver bird building its nest. Draw a picture of your dream house. Dream house means एक तो वो घर है जिसमें आप रहते हैं. सबके पास घर होता है, सब घर में हम घर में रहते हैं, वो पापा मम्मी ने बनाया है. ड्रीम हाउस मीन्स आप कैसा घर चाहते हैं, आपके सपनों का घर कैसा होना चाहिए. आपके दिल में भी कोई एक वो होगा, मैप होगा कि हमें ऐसा घर चाहिए, काश हमारा घर ऐसा होता, इस घर में ये होता, इस घर में वो होता. तो दैट इज़ नोन एज ड्रीम हाउस. सो ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ योर ड्रीम हाउस. Write 3 sentences about it. This is a part, this is an activity type. You have to do it. You have to draw a picture of your dream house in your notebooks. You will draw it, color it as you want, and then you will write just 3 sentences about it. कि कैसा है, क्या क्या होना चाहिए, कैसा लगता है, how do you feel, all that. Now read this poem about a weaver bird building its nest. Now this poem is telling about how this bird is building its nest. Building means बनाना, कैसे अपना वो घर घोंसला बनाती है. In and out the weaver bird weaves his wisps of grass, busy and bustling, bent on the task as the hours quickly pass. In and out the weaver bird. In and out means कभी अंदर कभी बाहर, कभी अंदर. See, this is the space, this is the area from which this bird gets inside. ये घर उसके अंदर जाने का रास्ता है. कभी वो अंदर कभी बाहर. Sometimes in, sometimes out. She does. This bird does. Weaves his wisps of grass. Wisps means a thin piece of grass. See here the word meanings are given. A thin piece. पतला घास का टुकड़ा, घास होती है, उसकी मदद से वो अपने घर को बनाता है. Busy and bustling. Busy, very busy, and bustling. Bustling means very active. एकदम चुस्त, फटाफट. बिजी है, वो बहुत बिजी है अपना काम करने में. दिस बर्ड इज़ वेरी बिजी. बेंट ऑन द टास्क. टास्क मीन्स द वर्क विच हैज़ बीन गिवन टू डू. वो अपना काम करने में इतना बिजी है, इतना व्यस्त है कि उसको कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि कितनी देर हो गई है, कितना टाइम बीत गया है. वो अपना घर बनाने में लगा हुआ है, कभी अंदर कभी बाहर, कभी अंदर कभी बाहर. एज द आवर्स क्विकली पास. इतने घंटे बीत गए हैं, उसको पता ही नहीं है, बट वो अपना घर बनाने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिजी है, एक्टिव है. वीविंग, विंडिंग, ट्विनिंग द स्ट्रैंड्स, टायरलेसली वर्किंग विद केयर, टिल फाइन एंड फॉर्म्ड, नीट एंड न्यू, इज़ अ नेस्ट बियॉन्ड कंपेयर. वीविंग, बुनने में. विंडिंग, टर्न करने में, घास को गोल गोल घुमा कर उसको बनाने में. ट्विनिंग, रैपिंग और कवरिंग एन ऑब्जेक्ट मैनी टाइम्स. रैपिंग मीन्स आसपास उसको रैप कर देना, ढक देना, कवर कर देना. द स्ट्रैंड्स क्या होते हैं? थिन थ्रेड्स, धागे. टायरलेसली वर्किंग विद केयर. टायरलेसली मीन्स बिना थके हुए, विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड. वर्किंग विद केयर, बहुत सावधानी से, बहुत ध्यान से, केयरफुली. टिल फाइन एंड फॉर्म्ड, नीट एंड न्यू. दिस बर्ड इज सो मच बिजी डूइंग द वर्क, बिल्डिंग द नेस्ट, without getting tired, with so much care, no matter what time is going on, how many hours have been passed, still the bird is working. Till the end this bird is working till the nest becomes fine and formed in a proper formation, the nest takes a proper form. Neat and new. Neat, साफ सुथरा, बिल्कुल और नया. These are the adjectives. Adjectives means which are telling the quality of the nest. Nest कैसा है? Neat and new, साफ और नया बिल्कुल. Is a nest beyond compare. Is a nest beyond compare. Beyond compare means cannot be compared to anything else. Here it's the best. The meaning actually is this, but here in this poem, that is why it is written here. Here means in this poem it is the best. Is a nest beyond compare. That this nest is the best nest in comparison to the other nests. The birds which are making the nest, this nest is the best one in the comparison of the other nests. So that is why the name of this bird is known as weaver bird. This poem is based, the name of this poem is given as weaver bird. Here the poet is telling about this bird, that how this bird is such hard working, that it is busy in making the nest without the care of anything. It is just paying attention, it is just creating, concentrating on the work which has been given. It is the creativity and the imagination of this bird which is building its nest. You can see the shape, the size, the formation of this nest is very much different from the other nests of the birds. जो और चिड़ियों के घोंसले होते हैं आपने देखा है, you have seen, they are on the branches of the tree. See, here is the branch, but this is hanging like this. That is why this bird is known as special, and the name is weaver bird because it is weaving its nest. वो अपना nest बुन रही है. And the poet of this poem is Paul King. Okay.